All right, so we have to drag the arrow to match the ratio table to the correct graph. So all you're doing is you're looking at your x-axis and your y-axis of the charts and picking which graph it goes to. So you're looking for 0, 0. Okay, so I'm going to start 0, 0. Is there a dot there? Nope. There's a dot here, so I'm going to look at this chart for that one. 0, 0 is my x and my y. Now I have 1, 2. So my x is 1, so I walk to my 1, fly to my 2. There's a dot. Start at my point of origin, 0, 0. Walk to my 3, fly to my 6. Oh, there's a dot there. Let me check the last one. Start at my point of origin, 0, 0. Fly to my 4. Walk to my 4. Walk to my 4. Fly to my 8. There's a dot. So I'm going to draw my first line to this graph. Next graph is 2, 2. So I'm going to start here. Walk to my 2, fly to my 2. Perfect. Next one is 3, 4. So walk to my 3, fly to my 4. There's a dot. Next one is 4, 6. Walk to my 4, fly to my 6. There's a dot there too. 5, 6, or 5, 8. So I'm going to walk to my 5, fly to my 8. So this graph goes to our second chart, and this graph goes to this chart. And that is vocab for today, matching charts with the graph.